Hey, this is the Top Winning Products channel. Every day we look for new products to sell. This is the best product of the day. Our next product is the mini Christmas tree resin lamp. Christmas is coming. This Christmas tree is used to decorate your home equipped with LED lighting. This tree is absolutely a showstopper. The way the snow glitters and twinkles and the light is amazing, and it falls under the Christmas home decoration niche market. We also think it has a broad market base, and we also think it has a lot of untapped potential. So far there haven't been many orders on Aliexpress, so you could definitely take advantage of this. And finally, the Facebook ad has 2,100 likes, 246 comments, and 213 shares. Now the selling price of the mini Christmas tree resin lamp is just under $38.80, whereas the product cost is only $15.86. Shipping will set you back $6.51, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $16.43, so sell it now. Thanks for watching. Now if you like this video, and you got some value watching it, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.